Okay, now what we're going to talk about is a really common form in music, in rock and roll, blues, country. This is a really common structure. You'll see this mentioned a lot with blues, and it's called the 12-bar blues progression. Now what a bar is a measure. So this is a measure, this space, that's a measure, that's a measure, that's a measure. So we have 4 measures, 4 more, 4 more. That gives us the 12 bars, the 12 measures. At the end of the 12th measure, it's going to repeat. So this is a really, really common structure, and there are a lot of variations on it. So this is just a basic 12-bar blues progression. One of the variations, what I used for an example is if we were in the key of A, you get 4 beats of an A chord, A7. So 4 beats of A7, 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. Here it changes to the D7. Another D7, back to A7, E7 for 4 beats, D7 for 4, A7 for 4, E7 for 4, and then it goes back. Sometimes, instead of just sitting on this A chord for 4 measures, it might go to the D chord here. So that is one of the variations on this form. This can happen in any key. I just gave A as an example. But you will hear the phrase, you'll read it. It's really common to hear 12-bar progression, 12-bar blues mentioned. This is what they're talking about. 12 measures, and then it repeats back on itself. So that is a 12-bar blues, and I'll give you some examples of it in another video, and we'll do this in a couple different keys, but that's 12-bar blues in A. All right.